What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If the video cuts off, it just does. This is the equipment I got. This is what we're using. I'm not selling you anything. I'm not giving you any advice. I don't even know you. But we're going to rock through this, and if it cuts off, it cuts off. So market up or down, market was down. Let's check out the brokerage account. And we have some interesting stuff here. So let's update the spreadsheet here. We want to make sure we have our records correct. 6121 here on Charlie Mike Charlie. Check. All right. Halliburton 33 and a penny. Check. AT&T 2048, 2068. Round trip. 2048, 2068. And what just happened here? We made money while I was sleeping and hanging out with a friend of mine. I wasn't sleeping with him, but you know what I mean, man. Get your head out of the gutter. I know it's a holiday and everything, but I didn't watch this account. The orders were automated. We bought and sold in the same day, and the stock market was down. Say it with me. The stock market does not have to go up for you to make money. It doesn't. I kill this stuff on a regular basis, day in and day out. Not every single day. That's not how stocks work, but we're killing it. So there you go. We also got skipped on a few orders. So let's clean up our business here. We've got some stuff we need to get going here. So we'll just go ahead and cancel the orders for now. Booz Allen. And if we put them back in, then we put them back in. But we're going to go ahead and keep our spreadsheet clean, something that I struggled with in the past. We have Eldos, and we'll just make sure that everything is cool before we log out for this long holiday weekend. Stock market closed tomorrow, I do believe. So deep work, deep rest. If you have extra time, check out the playlist. Increase your learning. It costs you nothing. I'm not selling you nothing. So that's what we have as far as that goes. Now we need to follow our trading plan. So first step, market up or down. The market was down. Now we need to look at the screener and look at these stocks in order from smallest equity to largest equity. And at the end, we'll make sure everything has a sell order so we can sleep well at night with these swans. NOG and Halliburton first up on the docket. MN, no NOG, not much on here. Wants me to log into some account. That's great. Halliburton. PEs are in range. Dividends are there. That's reasonable. 32.96 for Halliburton. Didn't make it quite home in time to get these orders filled, but it's all right. Remember, the best investment you can make is in people. There are a lot of good people in the world, and if you can help somebody, and it's not too crazy of an inconvenience, I always think you should do that. You know what I mean? People run their life chasing money, which isn't even real. It's all made up. It's just keystrokes on somebody's keyboard. That's all it is. If you disagree, feel free to write that in the comment section so I can't read it. And we'll go through that. First trigger's the second. We're going to try to buy one share to keep position sizing under 1% of the total account without using partial shares. This broker really doesn't do well with that. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours. And now let's get a sell target. So now that we'll have two shares, we're going to add them up, divide by 2 to get an average. I'm taking that number times 1.01. That is the sell target that I like. And if it feels like I'm rushing, it's because, you know, I have a feeling this thing is going to crash again. So, you know, if we have continued problems, the videos will be over with. So you'll have to learn from the older stuff. But the process never changes. You can look at the first video, you can look at this video. The process is not any different. And this is what retired me very early in life. And but I'll continue to use until the day I die because I love it. It's fun and it works. CMC and Booz Allen here on the screener. There weren't many on the screener, so we got CMC here, Booz Allen, neither one on here. We've got MKTX, also not on the screener. I want stuff that we already own first. WFRD and Docs. WFRD not on here, Docs not on here. And Eldos last, but certainly not least. All right, so it's not on there. Okay. Next step of the trading plan. Stocks in my universe. So as I look at these stocks, the only stock in my universe is AT&T. Very interesting day. We got nice PEs, under 15. Dividends are there over 1. And debt is reasonable. It's high, but it's reasonable. 2058, right in the middle, exactly where we sold it today. Computer is lagging like crazy. So it's trying to keep up, just probably to the end of its rope. You know what I mean? Right. Don't worry about all these empty spots. We will clean this up at the end. But let's continue our trading plan so we don't get distracted. We don't want to be the squirrely guy. First trigger's the second. We're going to get a round trip order again, and with the same exact money that we bought and sold AT&T with today, we can potentially buy and sell AT&T again on Monday while I'm asleep. Well, preparing to go back to work. All right. This will trigger some of you. Good. All right. Limit order, good till cancel with the extended hours. And we'll ship it. So we've got our universe done. We've got all the stocks that we already own using math as my market advantage. Next step, we're going alphabetical, baby. Got some new ones on here. Looking for a reason to not take the trade. PEs are too high. Next, keep it moving. I don't waste time on things that aren't quite ready yet. I know what I'm looking for. I have a trading plan. I follow it. All right, PEs are in range here. We have no dividend EST. See that? No dividend. I'm out. They've been paying one. They're not sure if they're going to pay one in the future, or they at least haven't said publicly they are, so I'm out. PEs are way too high here for Oracle, but also a very interesting company. Not in my universe, though, but could be in the future. And PEs are too high here on SLB. So we have a little housekeeping to do, then we'll do some big picture. It's the end of the week. So as we go to the monitor, you will see there's some blank spaces. I want orders in for everything that has shares attached to it. So Booz Allen here, we have 2 shares. We need to sell them. They got to go. Add them up, divide by 2 to get an average. Take that number times 1.01, and that is the sell target that I like. We're pretty close. You can see, obviously, when your buy order gets skipped, that means the market opened higher than the close the previous day and never touched base. So that's kind of rare, but it's very bullish in the short term. So we'll see if we can sell this on Monday. So we head back to the monitor. We have one more Eldos. You can see, look at this open. It's up $16. This thing ripped. So I wish I would have been able to look at it. I was not. Such is life. Add them up, divide by 6. We'll get our average here times 1.01. But at the end of the day, it's going to work out. And time is your friend when you buy assets for less than what they're worth. Limit order good till cancel, extended hours. The market can stay irrational for super long periods of time. However, True Value always finds its way, just like Milo and Otis and all those other things. Let's check out some big picture, close this sucker out, and have a happy 250th 4th of July. So you can see here from the dotted line, we're the same price we were at in May 13th. It's July, bro. So all these gains that we're grinding out day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out is alpha that we're stacking chips for the next bets. And that's how I outperform the stock market. As we go to the weekly chart, it's the end of the week. Nothing. This is what they call an inside candle. We didn't break the high, we didn't break the low, sideways. Check out the monthly candle because we just finished up June. And we got a little pin bar here, but until we break above this all-time high, sideways. So you can see that the longer-term chart is very bullish, but nothing's really breaking out. We're kind of doing our thing. It doesn't affect our trading plan anyways, but it's good to have for big picture so that you can keep your mental about you. You don't get impatient. You understand what's really happening. And you understand that for traders, the market needs to move a little. We don't care really up or down, but it's got to move, right? And while it's not moving, the dividends keep rolling in. So that's what we have for today. If you would, leave me a like on your way out. Make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends. Again, for a disclaimer, I own this stuff. These are my real orders, but I'm not telling you what to buy. Okay, this is not financial advice. I don't know you. I'm not licensed at anything, especially financial stuff. And if you want to seek out the advice of a professional, go right ahead. You know, I'll keep the tax deductions coming out of my paycheck to make sure you folks eat good and everything. And this is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is my journey. I'm documenting this stuff. I killed it already before in another account that's way bigger, and I started over just to try to give back to the community. You couldn't copy me if you tried. It's not smart anyways. But if you learn about stocks, hopefully this can help you add to your trading plan. But you should have a plan that's written down, all that. And 12 minutes, boom. Let's see if this video will render. If we make it to the end, comment down below the end. Just let me know somebody made it to the end. But thank y'all for watching. Have a great, happy, safe 4th of July. And let's make money in the markets on Monday. See you there.